soil erosion and conservation. In this module, let us understand the importance of soil. Have you ever wondered, where do the plants grow? Where do the rat, snake and earthworm stay? Or, on what is the foundation of the house laid? Yes, it is the soil where the plants grow, where snakes, rats and earthworms dig the holes, and where the foundation of the house is laid. Now let us understand the phenomenon of soil erosion. The topmost layer of the soil is the most fertile part of the soil, which is responsible for the growth of plants. The phenomenon of the removal of the topmost layer of the soil by external agents like wind, water, etc. is known as soil erosion. The natural agents of soil erosion are wind and water. Now let us understand how the soil erosion occurs. As a result of heavy rains, the topmost layer of soil near the riverbeds loosens. In case of floods, this top layer is easily carried away by the river water. As a result, the vegetation near the riverbed suffers. Also, landslides are quite frequent in the hilly regions. Landslides bring down rocks and pieces of land, which as a result displaces the topmost layer of the soil. Result of soil erosion leads to the loss of fertility of soil, which as a result affects the growth of plants. Do you know, soil is formed from the waste of plants and animals which have been decayed over time. Can you tell me what is the scientific study of soil called? The scientific study of soil is called as pedology. Let us understand some human and animal activities leading to soil erosion. Overgrazing by cattle loosens up the soil and makes the soil prone to soil erosion. Deforestation and the use of heavy machines on land also causes soil erosion. Due to both the activities, the soil gets loosened up and as a result becomes prone to soil erosion. This loose soil is then carried away by the wind and water and thereby results in soil erosion. As we all know, soil is necessary for existence of life on earth. Hence, it is very important for human beings to work for the conservation of soil. There are 6 methods for soil conservation. 1. Reckless cutting of trees should be stopped. As the roots of the tree bind the soil together, thereby preventing the soil erosion. 2. Embankment on the river should be made to protect the soil near the riverbed from the floods. Three. After harvest and before the new crop is sown, some cover-up plants should be planted on the field to avoid a situation of a vacant land. 4. Terrace farming should be promoted in the hilly regions, which is helpful in preventing the soil erosion. 5. Fields should be fenced properly in order to protect the soil from heavy winds. 6. There should be natural fencing in the form of dense trees and shrubs around the fields so as to prevent from heavy winds. We have learned importance of soil, different causes of soil erosion, different methods of soil conservation.